Welcome to episode 87 of Learn and Teach American English with Maestro Sersea podcast. We are back and ready to help you learn and teach American English with new weekly episodes every Monday. Today we will learn about visiting the DMV in the United States of America. Thank you all for learning American English with us. We are here to support English learners from all over the world improve American English language skills and cultural knowledge. Ready to begin? Okay, let's go. Topic 01 Transportation. Visiting the DMV. Getting a driver's license, state ID, or vehicle registration. Section 1. Key vocabulary. Study these 10 words and phrases. They will help you in this situation. 1. License. An official document that gives you legal permission to drive a car. Example: you must pass a written test and a road test to get your driver's license. 2. Registration. An official document that shows your car belongs to you and is allowed on the road. Example: the officer asked me to show my registration and proof of insurance. 3. Written test. An exam where you answer questions about traffic laws and road signs. Example: I studied the driver's handbook before taking the written test at the DMV. 4. Eye exam. A short test to check if you can see well enough to drive safely. Example: the eye exam at the DMV only takes a few minutes. You read letters on a screen. 5. Proof of residency. A document that shows where you currently live, such as a utility bill or lease. Example: bring a utility bill or bank statement as proof of residency when you go to the DMV. 6. Permit. A temporary license that allows a new driver to practice with a licensed adult in the car. Example: my son is only 16, so he has a learner's permit. He cannot drive alone yet. 7. Renewal. The process of getting a new, updated version of your license before the old one expires. Example: my license expires next month, so I need to go to the DMV for a renewal. 8. Road test. A practical driving exam where an officer watches you drive and scores your performance. Example: during the road test, I had to parallel park and make a 3-point turn. 9. State ID. An official identification card issued by the state for people who do not drive. Example: if you don't have a car, you can still get a state ID to use as official photo identification. 10. Fee. An amount of money you pay for a government service. Example. There is a small fee for a new license you can pay by cash, check, or debit card. Section 2. Dialogue at the DMV counter. Read the conversation below. Clerk. Good morning. How can I help you today? Maria. Good morning. I would like to apply for a driver's license. I just moved here from another country. Clerk. Of course. Are you applying for a learner's permit first? Or do you already have a valid license from another country? Maria. I have a license from my home country, but I was told I need to get an American license. Clerk. That's correct. You will need to pass a written test today. If you pass, you can schedule a road test for another day. Maria. Okay. What documents do I need to give you? Clerk. I need your passport, proof of your social security number, and 2 proofs of residency like a utility bill and a bank statement. Maria. I have all of those. Here is my passport and my lease agreement. Is a lease okay for proof of residency? Clerk. Yes, a lease is perfect. And do you have a utility bill as well? Maria. Yes, I have an electric bill from last month. Is that recent enough? Clerk. That's fine. Documents need to be from the last 60 days. You're all set. The written test fee is $36 today. Maria. Can I pay with a debit card? Clerk. Yes, we accept debit and credit cards. After you pay, please take a seat and wait for your number to be called. Maria. Thank you so much. How long is the wait, approximately? Clerk. It should be about 20 minutes. Good luck on your test. Section 3. Reading. What to expect at the DMV? Read the article below to learn more about this topic. The Department of Motor Vehicles, or DMV, is a government office that handles licenses and vehicle documents. For newcomers to the United States, visiting the DMV can feel stressful, but knowing what to expect makes the experience much easier. When you arrive at the DMV, you will usually take a numbered ticket and wait to be called. Bring all required documents in a folder so they are easy to find. Most DMVs require at least 2 forms of identification, proof of your social security number, and 2 documents proving your address. The written test covers traffic laws, road signs, and safe driving practices. You can study for it using the official State Driver's Handbook, which is available for free online and at the DMV. Many DMVs also offer the test in languages other than English. Be sure to ask when you arrive. If you pass the written test, you will receive a learner's permit. With a permit, you can practice driving with a licensed adult who is at least 21 years old. After practicing, you can schedule a road test. During the road test, an examiner will sit in the car with you and score your driving skills. Some states allow you to use your foreign driver's license for a limited time after you arrive, but most require you to get a local license within 30 to 90 days of becoming a resident. Check your state's specific rules before your visit. Remember, the DMV can be busy, especially on Mondays and during lunch hours. Try to go early in the morning or on a weekday afternoon for shorter wait times. Thank you for listening to our podcast episode today, and we look forward to you joining us again each week for new episodes for learning and teaching American English. This podcast is one of various other podcasts created and published by Ioan Elvis Sersea, also known as Maestro Sersea, a semi-retired American English educator based in California, USA. In addition to publishing numerous American English educational resources, he's also a prolific music producer, with music albums published on all major music streaming services, including Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, and many more. Look for music by Maestro Sersea, and you won't be disappointed. Check out our comments section below to access his music online. Best wishes, everyone!